Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can turn off real-time protections in Windows Defender, whether you need it for troubleshooting, installing certain software, or simply for some peace of mind. It's easy, so let's dive right in. So first, you can open your Start menu and search for the Windows Security. This one. Click on it to open your Windows security settings, and this is where you can manage all your security settings including real-time protection. So you can navigate in the Windows security windows. You can click on the virus and threat protections and scroll down and click on manage settings under the virus and threat protections, this one. And in here, this is where you'll control real-time protections. So here's the simple part. You'll see an options for real-time protections. This one, you can just toggle it off to disable real-time monitoring like this. And you can just tap on yes to confirm, and that's it. Just so you know, turning off real-time protection will disable active scanning for malware and other threats. So Windows will automatically turn it back on after a while for your safety. But remember, be careful about what you are downloading or running when it's off. And that's it. You now know how to turn off real-time protections in Windows Defender. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit on the thanks button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.